to be reciprocated by people who are enjoying that privilege and deliver more than a job to people who are paying taxes, 52% of taxes that are consumed by these 900,000 people. We really, truly owe the people of this country much more. I'm aware that, President Kibaki, the late Kibaki, in his first government attempted to reform the public service. That effort was abandoned somewhere, midstream. And I intend to pick from where President Kibaki left it by carrying out, a process-based reform of the public service to ensure that we have got a public service that is agile, that is nimble, that is fit for purpose, and that is value-adding to the people of this country. With me here also is a team from several departments. We have got the Director General of the National Youth Service. And let me take this opportunity, although I'll be visiting the NYS next week, and I'll make much more specific pronouncements on the way forward on the National Youth Service. But if you are a young person in this country, my simple advice is don't look for those other lofty jobs you're looking there. The National Youth Service will be the engine of transforming this country. It will be the engine of growing this country. It will be the engine with which the government of President Ruto is going to use to wake up our agriculture, to revive our manufacturing, to inculcate a culture of service that is based on patriotism and love for this country. We are going to transform radically the National Youth Service, and I can assure you that if you're not in the National Youth Service, you need to think twice. Gone are the days now when National Youth Service was for people who don't have anything else to do in life. We want to use the National Youth Service as a tool of hope, as a tool for intervention in various sectors in this country, so that we can be able to move forward and move our country forward. You all know the big problem we have in this country of unemployment. It is a